There are moments in life when everything seems to fall apart. The plans we made, the dreams we held dear, the path we thought was certain, all seem to crumble before our eyes. But what if, in these very moments, the universe is actually guiding us towards something greater? What if the chaos is not a sign of failure, but of transformation? The universe has a plan far greater than any we could ever imagine. It knows the path we must take, the lessons we must learn, and the transformations we must undergo to become the best versions of ourselves. And often this journey is not a straightforward one. It is a process, an unfolding, where we are broken down piece by piece only to be rebuilt stronger, wiser, and more resilient. Embrace the process, trust the journey, and know that every step is leading you to your true self. We all reach breaking points in our lives, moments when we feel lost, overwhelmed, and uncertain about the future. These are the times when it feels like everything we knew is slipping away. But these moments, painful as they are not the end. They are the beginning of something new. Think of a seed buried deep within the earth. It is in the darkness, surrounded by soil, seemingly isolated from the world above. But within that darkness, something miraculous is happening. The seed is breaking open, shedding its outer shell and beginning the process of growth. Without this breaking, there would be no transformation. In the same way, our breaking points are not our undoing. They are the moments when our old selves begin to break apart, making way for the new. It is in these moments that we're given the opportunity to grow, to evolve, and to step into a new chapter of our lives. Embrace these times, for they are the catalysts of our transformation. The process of transformation often leads us into the unknown, a place where we feel lost, confused, and afraid. This is the dark night of the soul, a time when we are called to let go of what we once knew and trust in something greater than ourselves. During this time, it is natural to feel fear and doubt. We may question our path, our purpose, and even our own worth, but it is in this darkness that we discover our true light. The universe asks us to surrender, to let go of our need for control, and to trust in the process of transformation. Imagine a butterfly struggling to emerge from its cocoon. The process is not easy. It requires strength, determination, and faith. But without the struggle, the butterfly's wings would never develop the strength needed to fly. In the same way, our struggles are shaping us, preparing us to soar to new heights. Embrace the unknown, for it is the gateway to your transformation. There is immense power in surrender, an act that is often misunderstood as weakness, but in reality, it is a profound strength. But surrender is not about giving up. It is about letting go of resistance and allowing the universe to guide us with its infinite wisdom. When we surrender, we release the need to control every outcome, embracing the unknown with open hearts. We acknowledge that there are forces greater than ourselves at work, and we trust that these forces are leading us towards our highest good, even if we cannot see the path clearly. Surrender is the ultimate act of faith, a recognition that we do not have all the answers, and that it's okay not to know everything. Consider the river, which flows effortlessly towards its destination, never questioning its journey. It does not fight against the rocks and obstacles in its path. Instead, it moves around them, trusting in the journey and the natural flow. The river knows that it will eventually reach the ocean, even if the path is winding and uncertain, filled with twists and turns. In the same way, when we surrender to the universe, we allow ourselves to be carried by a current far greater than our own will, a current that knows our true destination. We stop fighting against the flow of life, and instead we move with it, trusting that we are being led to where we need to be, exactly when we need to be there. Embrace the process, let go, and trust that the universe has a plan for you, guiding you towards your highest potential. After the breaking and the surrender comes the rebuilding, a process that is both challenging and rewarding. This is the stage where we begin to see the fruits of our transformation, the tangible results of our inner work. The pieces of our lives that once seemed shattered are now coming together to form a new, stronger whole. a beautiful mosaic of resilience. The universe has a way of bringing everything full circle, reminding us that every end is a new beginning. What once felt like loss is now revealed as gain, a necessary step in our journey. The challenges we face become the stepping stones to our greatest achievements, the foundation of our newfound strength. The pain we endured becomes the source of our greatest strength, a testament to our resilience. Think of the phoenix, a mythical creature that rises from its own ashes, reborn and renewed, a symbol of our own potential. The phoenix's journey is one of destruction and rebirth, symbolizing the cycles of transformation that we all go through, the endless possibilities of renewal. Each time we're broken down, we have the opportunity to rise again, stronger and more powerful than before, with a deeper understanding of ourselves. As we rebuild, we carry with us the wisdom and strength gained from our experiences, the lessons learned from our trials. We are no longer the same person we once were. We are something new, something more resilient, more compassionate and more attuned to the universe's plan, ready to face whatever comes next. Transformation is not a one-time event. It is an ongoing process that unfolds over time. The universe is constantly guiding us towards our highest potential, urging us to grow, evolve, and expand beyond our current limits. Each stage of our journey is a chapter in a much larger story, a story that is still being written, with each moment adding to its richness. As we continue on this path, let us remember that every challenge, every setback, and every triumph, and every moment of uncertainty is an integral part of our journey, shaping our character and resilience. These are the moments that shape us, that teach us invaluable lessons, and that ultimately lead us to where we are meant to be. The universe's plan is not always clear, often shrouded in mystery, and the road ahead may be filled with twists and turns, unexpected detours and surprises. But with each step we take, we are moving closer to our true selves, closer to our ultimate purpose, closer to the life we are meant to live, filled with meaning and fulfillment. So, embrace the process of transformation with an open heart and mind. Trust in the universe's plan, even when it seems uncertain. Know that you're being guided, supported by forces greater than yourself, even when the path is unclear and the destination seems distant. And remember, the journey is just as important as the destination, if not more so. Each step you take is a step towards becoming the person you're meant to be, embracing your true essence. Thank you for watching. If this video resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on personal growth and spiritual transformation. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and trust in the universe's plan. Embrace the journey.